Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add multiple links to your Instagram bio. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your web browser, and in the search bar you just type linktr.ee, and after opening that you just sign up for free. And after signing up, here is the interface of the Linktree. So if you want to add multiple links to your Instagram bio, so here you see the option of add new link. So simply click on that, and here you just type the title in URL, and here you just type the URL, or simply you just copy paste your URL, and here you see preview option as well, and that's it. So now you will be able to add multiple links to your Instagram bio. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.